Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Jordan and I'm tuning in for another short video where I would like to discuss this door cut possible sell opportunity that we might be getting very soon. Basically my idea starts from the daily chart where, as you can see, we have multiple channels being formed, and the reason I love this setup is because the price is currently trading in a place where two of these channels are coinciding. Okay, this is a very hot zone, and when we drop lower, you can now start seeing that zone very clearly. So basically this is the downtrend line and this is the uptrend line from this channel. The other interesting part here, which we need to focus on, is the reason that we already had two false breaks, divergences, two in a row, which means the price is simply rejecting a possible breakout of this channel. Okay, when we have breakouts, we want to see momentum, not divergence. Another thing we can notice is that for the first time we actually created lower highs here. The only problem we do have is that the price didn't yet created lower lows, meaning downtrend is about to start, right? The only lower lows we did see are right here, but if we look closer, we can understand and see that this is the last wave down, and this low is actually an inner low between this wave, the high and the low. And that's why attacking here with these lower lows and relying on that would be more aggressive than usual. The most conservative way, in my opinion, would be to wait for breakout below this low right here, wait for pullbacks. Okay, so basically we want to see some beautiful momentum lower, we want to see candles closing below that low, pullbacks, and then attack for the sells. Okay, and the invalidation, of course, would be the top, which is this high, that's 131.70 or so. And when we speak about targets, the bottom target here, we have the potential to enjoy at least up until this zone, and then later on giving it a projection with an angle, this level, and so on and so on. But that's of course going to take too many days, and we're going to have updates if the price starts moving, so we don't need to worry about that. So that's pretty much my idea. If you like it, guys, please thumbs up, subscribe. Don't forget to join us in our Telegram group where we also share ideas, me and Vladimir. It's absolutely free. You can find the link below in the comments. Wishing you a fantastic day. Bye.